Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to transform your old kitchen island into something like this. It turned out pretty good. Seriously, let's get to it on how we achieved this. The materials we used, the techniques we used, did a lot of research on it, but it turned out very good. I'm very happy with it. Okay, so this, as you can see, is the end result, and we have used it the past 4 months. Mind you that this was quarantine time, so the kids were home, hence it has been used to the fullest. But as you can see, there are no scratches. There, you know, it just held up pretty darn good. No chips on the paint we used. Used about 7 layers of polyurethane on this. So it is a little involved process, but the end result is just amazing. I don't know, there's one thing doesn't want to stay in its place I have to fix, but other than that, it has been actually very good. You know, I mean, instead of buying a brand new one, I think I like this even better now with the color combination and just doing little updates like changing the handles and stuff, and overall how it has held up, especially with everybody being home and using it on a regular basis. So but the base restoration process, you need a high quality base for that. And it has to be oil based. This is what we used. You know, when you apply this, it does look a little botchy, but that is all fine. And then the paint we use from Benjamin Moore, the advanced one, this applies like butter. And so as you could see, you know, there's no streaks, blemishes, or anything like that. Smooth. Love it. So if you're doing a project like this, you're spending a lot of man hours into it, might as well just make sure that you use the right you know, base and paint to achieve the result that you're looking for. Really satisfying. So for the top surface, after we sanded it, cleaned it, we did the wood conditioner. Use the wood conditioner, and that further cleans it. And look at the instruction for how long you have to wait. And then we applied this stain. We did 2 coats. Wanted this look. I didn't want it darker than this. I didn't want it light. It was light to begin with. So 2 coats give us this result, but it's up to your personal taste. If you want, for example, a little darker than this or lighter than this, you want to make go light or more coats. The key to you know, maintaining that is applying the polyurethane. We did 7 to 8 coats of this, and that is why you don't see a lot of scratches and everything. I mean, you know, the kids, they throw stuff around this all the time, and it has held up pretty good. So this is the key to finish it off. You know, give it as many coats as you can to get a result where it will last for a longer time. So yeah, that's the end result. You know, these handles was just the leftover from the kitchen remodel, the DIY remodel that we did. So if you wanted to see how we achieved that, change the design and stuff, watch out that video. And also you see that these are all the same old stuff that were here, but we just painted it, right? So these little touches add up, and at the end result is just so satisfying, right? Also, as you can see, the door in the back ground, this was bifold, old-fashioned door that I kind of dressed up. I might give it a little frame up on top, but it turned out pretty good. Also watch a video on this. And this casing, it's just a custom casing that I did with some, you know, pieces from, you know, patched together from Home Depot. So if you want to see how I did that, definitely watch a video on that. Yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. Do your projects. This is the time. COVID-19, unfortunately, but gotta use it to our advantage. Stay safe. Thanks, everybody.